Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify external link quality with Ahrefs Backlink Checker, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and head to the Ahrefs website. If you don't have an account, create one for full access. Once logged in, navigate to the Site Explorer section. In the search bar, input the external link or domain you want to analyze. Click the search button to begin the analysis. Wait for the data to load, which may take a few seconds. Upon loading, you'll see an overview of the domain. Look for the backlinks section on the left sidebar. Click on backlinks to access detailed link information. Here, you'll find a list of all backlinks pointing to the domain. Examine the referring domains metric to see link diversity. Check the domain rating to gauge the link's authority. A higher domain rating typically indicates a stronger backlink. Review the URL rating for the strength of the individual link. Next, consider the anchor text used in the backlinks. Relevant anchor text often signifies a better quality link. Look for the do-follow and no-follow metrics as well. Do-follow links pass SEO authority, while no-follow links do not. Check the traffic estimates for the referring pages. High traffic indicates a potentially valuable backlink. Analyze the context of the linking page for relevance. Relevant content increases the link's quality and value. Look for any spammy or low-quality links in the list. Identify links from high-authority websites for credibility. You can also export the backlink data for further analysis. Click on the Export button and choose your preferred format. After reviewing, use the insights to inform your backlink strategy. Evaluate whether to pursue similar links or focus on disavowing low-quality ones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.